And here we are grinding the floor to open up the pores and remove any grease or contaminant from the floor. Don't forget your edging. Now we are applying the polyaspartic primer coat with a squeegee and back rolling to unify the coverage. Epoxy may also be used for this application. And now the magic begins. We are applying Marbelite Metallics Epoxy uniformly over this 100 square foot area, using a 3/8 snap roller to create the design of choice. There's many ways to apply metallic epoxy. Squeegee, magic trowel, gauge rake, even a regular trowel if you want. Also ways to get interesting effects, denatured alcohol, using a leaf blower. So many different ways to get nice effects. Once the epoxy is down, you have about 30 to 40 minutes to work with it before it sets up. The following day, we came back with a floor sander fixed with 100 grit sandpaper to knock out any imperfection. Finally, the clear coat. POLYASPARTIC is the choice we use today, but many other sealers may be used. And from your team at Marbelite, have a nice day. See you next time.